Students, we have completed your chapter number 3, energy, which is there in your syllabus of first unit test, isn't it? Okay. Now, students, I will just tell you, I will just discuss some important short answer type questions, okay, that is important for your exam from this chapter only, okay, like answer in short type of questions. It will carry 2 to 3 marks, okay. I've already discussed in the class many times, but today also I will discuss. Okay. The marks will be either 2 or either 3. Okay. Okay, so let's start. The first question, turn to page number 36, students. Okay, I'm writing the page number also. This question is important from this page. How the work done by a force is measured. Okay, I'm just writing it. How does the work done by a force is measured? Okay, important for 2 marks or 3 marks. Okay, so the answer also I will discuss, don't worry. You can write the answer as the work done by a force is measured as the product of the force and the distance moved by the body in the direction of the force. Okay, repeating once again, but it's also will be there in your PDF. Work done by a force is measured as the product of the force and the distance moved by the body in the direction of the force. Okay, that means in a simple word, how can express? Just you have to multiply the force and the distance moved by the body in the direction of the force. Okay, so that equation, students, I told you all to write in the class. I'm just writing it here also. Work done equals to force into distance moved. I'm just writing in short, students, DIST. DIST will not write it in your exam. It is the distance. Okay, in short, I'm just writing it as DIST. You will write in your exam as distance. DISTANCE. Distance moved in the direction of the force. Okay, and before coming to this mathematical part, this is your formula part. Before writing this formula, the thing that I told you all to write in words, it's also there in the book that you should write. Okay, so after this you can get okay. Your next question from this particular page can be, What is 1 joule of work? Okay, or what do you mean by what is 1 J? 1 J means 1 joule. Okay, 1 J of work. So you can write the answer as 1 joule of work is said to be done when a force of 1 Newton moves a body by a distance of 1 meter in the direction of the force. Repeating once again, listen very carefully. 1 joule of work is said to be done when a force of 1 Newton, here the force of value will be 1 Newton, moves a body by a distance of 1 meter. So your distance moved will be 1 meter in the direction of the force. So how can you write this in mathematical way? 1G. Okay, see the words, the theory is given in the book. Don't simply write this that I'm writing right now. 1G equals to 1N into 1 meter. That means for the force, you will write the value of 1 Newton, and for the distance moved in the direction of the force, you will write as 1 meter. Is it clear to all? Okay. So write the theory that I told you all in words. It's also there in your book. No need to worry. As well as write this mathematical form. Okay. So this was your second question important from this particular page, or rather your energy chapter. Just we have started. Next question that you can get. What is energy? Okay. Simple question. Very important also. What is energy? What will you write? See in the book it's also written. I also made you write in the class. Energy is the capacity to do the work. That is it. Okay? Very short answer, but write it well.